So today is Sunday, the 13th date in the month of October 2024, and I'm currently at Iyamoye. This is the federal road, Iyamoye in the Jumu local government of Kogi State. This is the federal road linking Iyamoye to Ekiti State. And we can see here that all vehicles are stuck on the road. We can see here, so many people have been here for the past 1 week. There is no road for them to pass. And so many trucks are already on this road. And we can see, for example, now this truck is already on this here, on this plant, and is unable to pass. We require urgent intervention. We can see so many people are here, stranded on our major road, on the major road linking Kogi State to Ondo State, and to linking Kogi State to Ekiti State. We are appealing for intervention. Yes, we read it on the news that this road has been allocated to CCC, but we need urgent intervention so that our people can have a road to pass. Please, we require urgent intervention. This is not good enough for us as a community. We can see there is no going and there is no coming of vehicles because they are all stuck here. We can see. So please, we are using this medium to appeal to our senators, to all the House of Representatives, to all government officials. Let this road be motorable. Let palliative be done on the road so that at the end of the day, people will not be stranded here. Some people have been here for the past 2 weeks. They cannot pass. They cannot go forward. They cannot move backward. So please, we require urgent intervention. We are appealing to everybody, all well-meaning Nigerians. Iyamoye Road needs intervention. We are pleading, we are begging. Please, help us out. Even if it is a palliative measure, let us do on this road so that at least people can be able to go freely to their destination. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please, we need help. We need help. We need intervention. We can see that all the motorists that are here, they are all stranded. They need help. Please, please help us out. God bless you.
Now, if you hear what these people are saying in this video, you understand that this place is Kogi State. Now, in Delta State, my state, along that Onitsha Asaba road, if you are coming from Benin, you are going to the east through Asaba, that road is so deplorable. That road is becoming something else. That is not the only way. No, the normal thing when you go to or a road, every road, come to the southeast, come to the southwest, everywhere. Now, the question is, when Umahi assumed office as the Minister of Works, then when they flag off this coastal road, a lot of people made comment. It's not only P2B that made comment about the coastal road, but Umahi started criticizing P2B. I don't know what he sees in P2B. I don't know his problem with P2B. He was criticizing P2B that P2B said that that road, that coastal road, they're supposed not to flag it up. At least they're supposed to, repair the roads that are inside the country. I mean the internal roads that they're supposed to repair it before they started awarding new contracts of the road. Like that coastal highway, up to 2030, they're not going to finish the road. So that was the concern of so many people, including P2B. And Omar, he took it personal, and he started criticizing P2B. He started saying all sort of things. What they do not ask him, he was just saying so many things because he's in the office. He feels that maybe they are the one that owns Nigeria and so on and so forth. But we are monitoring the situation. We are monitoring everything that is going on. When you go from the north to the south, east to west, now you understand the state of the road. Omar is one of the, the most useless minister we have in Nigeria. Now, the issue, people may say, why is it that Tinubu did not sack them? Tinubu is not sacking people. He sacked 5 ministers. He's not sacking people who are not performing. If Tinubu is sacking people who are not performing, CBN governor will go. The NNPC director or minister, I don't know, will go. The minister of work will go. And so on and so forth. There are so many people who are supposed to resign, but they are reserving them so that they will help them to rig election. So if you don't know how to rig election, they will definitely sack you. So that is the thing they were doing, and people thought that, oh, these people are just removing people who are not performing, underperforming. If you go throughout the whole country, if you're a traveler, you understand what I'm saying. Ordinary people will not understand what I'm saying. A place that you're supposed to go 2 to 3 hours, people are going there for 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, upon the high cost of petrol. So everything still boils down to the masses. The masses are still the one who are suffering everything that is going on over there. So this is a call to action that people should understand that Omahe don't mean well for Nigerians. Look at everywhere, from north to south. There is no single road. There is one agency of the federal government. What is it called? So is it not FEMA? Yeah, it is called FEMA, Federal Agency Road Maintenance, Federal Road Maintenance Agency, something like that. That FEMA is one of the agencies that normally repair roads. They repair federal roads when it gets spoiled. Ever since Tinubu has been in office, they have never for one day repaired this road. They have never for one day repaired this road. This is so pathetic, and I think Omahe should be called to order. He should stop playing politics. The money he looted when he was in the money he allegedly looted when he was a governor of Ebonyi State is not enough for him. The whole roads, nothing is done. Anyway, these are the reasons why people never believe in Nigeria, why people want this country to end. If Omahe is part of maybe they just divide the country, is part of a particular region, they will beat him up. But now you can't do that now, because the Abuja is against the people, the presidency is against the people. If not because of Abuja, all this madness Wike they are doing, you think Wike will be able to do what he's doing? Tell me. If not because of Abuja, Omahe will just be doing what he's doing? We'll beat him up. See, this one Nigeria system is really destroying a lot of things, honestly. It is really destroying a lot of things, because people are no longer interested in good governance. People are no longer interested. What they are just interested is, oh, yes, I know president is on my side. The road they are on. In fact, let me tell you people how these people make money with road contracts. Most of them, if they award road like 100 billion, they will go and meet the contractors. They will tell the contractors, this is the money we are going to award this road. Do you agree to do this road for 40 billion? The contractor will say, yes, okay, now we are going to inflate it to 100 billion. Later you give us 60 billion. They will sign the agreement. That is how they are doing it. And to my greatest surprise, apart from the inflation of roads and all those things they are doing, if you see how the contractors will do the road, they will not do the road to be strong, because they know that the person giving them the road will not question them, because they are already part of an illegal deal. So apart from that, the last thing I want to say is that if normally that these people are genuine, every road they are constructing is supposed to have expiring date. When I mean expiring date, I mean guarantee. After tying a road, they're supposed to say that this road is going to last for 5 years. It's going to last for 3 years. If this road spoils before 3 years, the contractor should come back and do the road. But they are not going to say it now, because you know the system and the corruption and everything. As I speak to you, every contract they will be having now, from this year ending to next year, they will be saving it for primary election and the general election of 2027. They have no future for Nigerians. They always think about next election and not about next generation. And that is why I am saying this, that I don't believe in one Nigeria.